I'm going to show you how to pair a Bluetooth printer with a device that uses the Microsoft Bluetooth stack. I need a USB cable, I need the Label Vista program, and I need a computer that I can use to attach to the printer and run the Label Vista program. Normally I would just use whatever computer you had that I could join a log me in session with. We start the Label Vista program, and the first thing we want to do is make sure we have a connection with the printer. So I go up here to the printer, and I'm going to COM port setup. Now this works with a serial cable if you have one, but most people you would use the USB. I've got it set to USB, my baud rate is correct, and I've got my device, the RW420. Now that I'm connected, I go back up here to printer, the utilities, and Bluetooth settings. Now, here's where we configure the Bluetooth pin code. Authentication is by default set to off. We're going to set it to set pin, which allows us then to enter our pin code. And we hit OK. Go back over to my printer. I'm going to shut the printer down. Turn it back on. And our second step then is to configure the printer with Bluetooth. I'm going to my Bluetooth icon, and I am going to add a Bluetooth device. Where we go back to the desktop, into the control panel. We're going to go to devices and printers. There we go. And here's where we need to actually add the printer. You can see our printers there. What we want to do is create a printer, but first we need to know what the COM port is. So we are going to Properties of this device, Services, and it's set to COM13. In order to do this, we're going to need to reboot the computer. The reason we rebooted is because otherwise COM13 would not be seen in the device manager. So we're back to our add a printer that wasn't listed. I want to add a local printer. I'm going to use COM13. And I'm going to pick generic text only.